Congratulations. Congratulations to Father Paking, Edith Bueno, Nea, Samar Electric Cooperative sa 8 millionth household electrification. Keti naman Kim Pampanga, congratulations Pamelco. Ay, no, Ali, Pelco to King Rehabilitation yung. At Keti naman, kaluguran kong kabalen, Keti Pampanga Pulubaw, Vice Governor Yengyao, Dening Congressman Tamo, Mikey Arroyo, Chairman ng Committee on Energy, Dong Gonzales, Ana Bondok, Ampo Congressman ng Butil, Pitong Guanlao, Secretary Ed Pamintuan, Katangcord, Katang host, Keti Kinlubaw, Mayor Dennis, Ampo Dengaliwang Oficiales Keti, Dengaliwang Mayors, Abisita Tamong Yaning Aldo, and our General Manager of Pelco, General Manager Amador Guevara. At dati kano, Basil, congratulations. Kalugaran kong kabalen, karing opisyales, deng pamuntok, karing opisyales, deng aliwang, daring aliwang balen, yung iba-ibang mga electric cooperative dito sa Central Luzon, congratulations sa lahat na mga ginawa natin, ng kooperatiba, King Kuryente. Congratulations to all of you. At King Pelco to, King Pamami Elektrisidad, karing meto nga, 177 a barangay, Kete King Pampanga, congratulations. And Father Paking Silva, kung ano ba yung ginawa namin ni Edith at namang Nea, ikaw ang talagang inspirasyon dahil nandun ko pa sa Electric Cooperative, outstanding ka na nung araw pa. Congratulations for the 8 millionth household to be electrified. At isang napakalaking rason kung bakit ginagawa natin itong celebration dito sa Lubao. Pwede naman gawin sa ibang bayan ng Pampanga yung Pelco. Pwede naman gawin doon sa Samar, yung 8 million cooperative, and we congratulate Samar. Dahil ang anak ng Lubao, ingkikatang dating presidenteng Diosdado Macapagal, ingmig umpisa ng Electrification Administration. At iningal doon ni, naalala natin ang isang taong pangarap ay bigyan ng elektrisidad ang pinakamalayong mga baryo ng Pilipinas. Kaya nandito pati si Bishop Palang ng Mindoro. Hello Bishop, nice to see you here. At tayong lahat na nandito, tinutuloy natin ang kanyang panaginip. And as you have seen, thank you Father Sylvia and Edith for these charts that explain themselves. Our administration extended the biggest ever financial assistance to electric cooperatives. 5 billion pesos to enable you, our cooperatives, to do your missionary work even in the so-called non-viable areas. And I am pleased to see that most of you have delivered. Congratulations sa inyong tagumpay. Ngayon, sabi ko na kay Edith Bueno at saka yung Department of Energy, dapat by the end of this year, ikompleto na natin na lahat ng barangay ng Pilipinas ay meron ng elektrisidad. kalupaning Pelco. I'm also pleased na yung mga electric cooperatives ay pinag-ibayo ang inyong performance, including kalupaning Pelco, the rate of collection, and handa na kayo ngayon sa kompetensya sa power sector industry. Samantala, we're accelerating our power and energy development program while developing more sources of indigenous power. The country has already attained 58% self-sufficiency in power. And we anticipate an even higher percentage with the full implementation of the Biofuels Act and the Renewable Emerging Energy Law na ang principal sponsor King House, yay Congressman Mikey Arroyo. The full implementation of EPIRA, which we passed in our administration, will also start next year after the power purchase agreement that we inherited will expire. This is projected to bring down power rates, especially for small consumers. Konsuelo para sa akin, yung narinig kong report ni Father Paking na nagtutulungan ng mga electric cooperative para magbigay ng magandang serbisyo. Yang Hunyo inutos ko king NEA, adinang kuryente ng barangay Mawakat, na malapit ng kabundukan ng Pampanga, Bataan at Zambales. Nung no ka rin makatuknan, ding alos 200 na pamilyang Aita, kilob ng Apulong Aldo, 7,000 kilometro linya ing Mikabit, kapamalitan na ng Task Force Kapatid. Congratulations, Task Force Kapatid. Ni South Lading Penelco, Pelco 1 and 2, Presco, Tarelco 1 and 2, Sameco 1 and 2, kayong programa ini, dakala salamat, maraming salamat sa inyo. At keti naman kim Pampanga, kapamilatan na ning Pelco 2, dakalang negosyo ing karelang asopan, kalupa na ning McKinney Food Products, Jomafer Supermarket, Macro at ding gagawang Muebles king Betis at Guagua. Ngeni, siguraduhan na ning Pelco 2 na ding atlupang mitatagan a barangay, medida na lamo namang serbisyo king malugang panahon. Samantala, isundo ng gobyerno in pamamiyas serbisyo ka rin tao, lalo na king kasalukuyang problema ang ekonomiya king mabulugang yato. Ning kalulu, di na lang prioridad. This means that electric co-ops must work hard to bring light and power to the farthest barangays where the most marginalized of our people reside. Growth is achieved only through hard work and perseverance. And so today, on the first anniversary of Pelco's rehabilitation, on the 800 million household electrification, I once again enjoin the electric cooperatives continue to be a vital contributor to the steady economic growth that we enjoyed in the past 8 years, where I'm sure this barangay electrification helped us enjoy an unprecedented 33 quarters of uninterrupted growth. And with your help, let us carry this steady growth forward into the future. Salamat, Father Paking. Salamat, Edith. Salamat sa NEA. Salamat sa electric cooperatives for helping me put flesh to my father's dream of development for our people, a dream that the rest of our countrymen share as well. Once again, congratulations. Maya pa oras pasibayo Kimpelko. Takalasalamat kang Yeng, Dennis, apo ding aliwang opisyales, Keti Kim Pampanga, ding Congressman Tamo. Congratulations and mabuhay sa ating lahat. Thank you.